Three. Oh!
Dang, Daddy. You okay?
Got a wipe out.
Shadow.
Man down.
Baby, go get her.
Come on. 2, 3, go. Hold on. Oh. Oh.
How we gonna?
3. Oh. 3 and
Go.
oh yeah. Went real far.
He almost to the street.
Oh yeah, you real far, Shawty.
Going to play alone with us.
Oh!
Just slide down. Slide down and then
Come on.
slide down with the slider.
Ah, you wasn't ready.
Me actually want to slide down with my brother.
All right, come on. We're gonna do it again. Stay right there. We're gonna come right back. Let Daddy getting in the front. Come on. Keep sliding. Can't get on there.
Go in the back.
Come on. Uh-oh. There you go. Up, Fat Daddy ready. Where Little at? Come on, Little. There you go. Y'all ready? Put your feet around.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
No, put your feet around, baby.
Huh?
There you go, like that. There you go. Y'all ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Hold on. Oh. Oh, okay. You try to get me. You try to hit me? I'm about to get Fat Daddy. Oh. Yeah, watch out, they want to throw one. Oh, you trying to get me.
We got one for you.
Oh, dropped you. Oh, you trying to get me. Oh, got you. Right on the butt. Oh, you almost got you. Yeah. I'm about to get you. I'm about to get you. Huh? Got you. Huh, both of y'all come take a picture together.
No angel.
Yeah. Come on, Fat Daddy, get out here with your brother. You ain't even do it.
And now get my face.
Come on, arms and legs. Are you swimming in the snow? Okay. You a snowfish? Not a blowfish, but a snowfish, huh? Oh, that's a big snowball. What you gonna do with it? Oh, okay. Oh, you gotta get me. I'm about to get you now.
Daddy.
Oh, I'm about to get you. Boom. Oh, that was a good one.
Daddy.
Oh. Throw it right back at you. Boom. What you over there doing, Shawty? Eh. Oh. Yeah. Oh, you got a big boulder. You can't even throw that big old boulder. Told you. Knew you wasn't gonna be able to do it. Oh. 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 Oh, okay. Oh.
Daddy. What?
Oh.
Daddy, what?
Oh, sorry.
I did what?
They jumping me. Oh. They jumping me. What you over here doing, Fat Daddy? Cleaning off the car? Oh, you trying to get me. I got something for you. Yeah, so, yeah. Come on. You gonna throw one in, baby? Throw one in, baby. Throw one in, baby. Come on. Oh, Daddy almost hit you. Come on. Uh-oh, you coughing? You ready to go in for a minute? You ready to go in? Hey, Fat Daddy, say what's up to you too.
Hey, you too.
Yes, sir. Oh.
You're together.
You thought. Can you make it? All right, come on. Y'all did like a little letter S.
Inside the house.
Huh?
We will go inside the house.
Cold?
Yeah.
All right.
Really day and a no.
You want to stay in the snow?
Yeah.
Little said his hands are cold. His
Yeah.
hands frozen. You want me to stay out here with you? All right, we can stay out here for a second. Little gonna go warm up. What's up, everybody? We out here just playing in some snow. That's all we doing. Ain't that right, Fat Daddy?
Yeah.
You gonna go warm up, Little? You wanna ride again?
I'll tell a secret for you.
You wanna tell a secret? What's the secret? Yeah. The door locked. Oh, it's open now. There you go, it's open. You wanna go down again, Fat Daddy?
Yeah.
All right, come on.
Yeah.
You gotta take your gloves off.
Daddy, let's do
Hands
the
frozen.
gloves off.
Hands frozen.
Cold.
Cold.
Frozen.
All right, come on, Fat Daddy. One more time, then we're gonna go in there and we're gonna thaw out and warm up.
No. One more day and a
You can't take it. There you go. Ooh, look at them hands.
Ooh, look at me.
There you go. Uh-oh. Y'all left the door open. Mommy said close the door. All right, take your shoes and stuff off right there, Little. Take your stuff off right there. Come on, Fat Daddy. Come on. Come on. Ready?
Okay.
Yeah. You ready? Uh-oh. Come on, get on. I got you. Here you go. You ready? Are you gonna lay down? 1, 2, 3. Oh! Oh, you went on the street. Still going. You went far that time.
It's so fun.
It's so fun. All right, we're about to go in and we're gonna warm up, okay?
Daddy, yeah.
What?
That's straight.
Yep, that's the street. It's a nice little track too. You wanna ride down this track?
Yeah.
All right, one time. We're gonna go fast on this one. Come on, we're gonna stay right here in the track. I'm gonna put the sled right here in this track right here, okay?
Huh?
I'm gonna put the sled right here in this track. You ready?
Yeah.
This track right here. Oh yeah, see that? Look, that's ice. That's gonna go real fast too. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2. Here we go. 3. Oh, still going. Oh, gotta get it. All right, come on, we're gonna go in there and warm up a little bit, okay? Stop kicking it all the way down the street. I don't know about to go in. Okay? Yeah, what you got?
Ready, ready, oh, go.
Oh, Sparkle Smash.
And yeah.
That's ice. That's all the way ice.
Ready, ready, go.
Oh, yeah. Now you gotta do the sled. Oh, little, you can't get up here, can you? Oh.
How we gonna
I'm gonna have to throw you a rope or something. Hold on, I'm gonna help you. Come on. Oh, give me your hand. Oh, Daddy about to fall too. Give me your hand. Oh, you gotta give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Come on, come on, come on, come on. All right, there we go. All right, both of y'all get in it. Oh, don't drop it. Come on, both of y'all get in it.
only you get it.
The only one, baby, go by herself?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. You ready, little?
Nervous.
You ready? Yeah. Nah, don't worry about it. 1, 2, 3. Oh! You went all the way to the neighbor house. Now you about to be stuck. I'm gonna have to come and get you. How you gonna get back? How you gonna get back? About to slip and slide, you better walk slow. Be careful on that little hill right there, be careful. Oh, I told you. All right, I'm gonna come and get you. I'm gonna come get you. Hold on, cause I'm gonna have to use. Oh, it is all the way ice. I can't even. Come on, give me your hand. Come on. I can't even break the ice. All right. You want to go again? Oh, you know you don't have to wait for me. You want to go now, Fat Daddy?
No.
Why?
So
Oh.
I got it.
Mm-hmm. That's how you know it's a lot of snow up here, because you never could reach the lights. I'm gonna Sparkle Smash. I can't even. It's a big piece of ice. It's real thick. The whole thing is ice, all the way under.
Or you can roll it down.
Hey, I wanna.
You can roll it down.
There you go, the snow. Snow way under.
I'm
Yeah. Ice. See? And even all the way under here, it's still ice. So it was ice, then snow, then more ice on top. Oh yeah, big piece of ice. What you out there doing, little? We need some ice skates out here. Yeah. Super duper ice. Let me see. You gonna jump? Let me see if you can put a hole in if you jump. Can you jump? No? Oh, Daddy about to get on there. I can slide on there now. I'm about to get on there. Uh-oh, you okay? Daddy about to get on there. Let me see if I can slide. All right, I just created some tracks for y'all to go up in, okay? I'm gonna create one more. So step in those when you wanna go up to the top.
Okay.
All right? Don't throw, oh! Try to start up again. Better be careful. Oh, you did good. I thought you was gonna slip and fall. All right, Daddy about to get on the sled and go down. All right, here I come. Let's see what I do. Oh, yeah. You gonna push me? You gonna help push me? Huh? 1, 2, 3. Oh! Daddy fell off of it. How I fall off of it? I gotta try again.
No.
Daddy put a big dent in there when I fell.
Go try again.
I do want to try again.
No.
Why? Huh?
Don't try again.
Daddy want to try again.
Me want to try again.
All right, come on, you gonna get on with me? Huh?
I want to get on by myself.
All right, well, let me try again then. Oh, what happened over there, shorty? Oh,
We stuck over here.
you stuck?
I should water this.
Oh, I keep hitting that same spot. All right, come on. Oh, you can start from right here. I'm gonna push you out there. Or you going up to the top? Going up to the top? All right, come on. Ready? Whoa. Watch out, fat daddy. Little about to come down. Ready? Set. And go. Oh! You went far, shorty. What you digging out? What's under there? What you trying to find under there? Oh, we got a runaway sled. Runaway sled. Oh, sled running away. Be careful. Oh, one wipe down. Wipe out. Oh, be careful. one. I'm gonna create a trail for y'all, okay? Hold on. All right. I can't even create it. I'm trying to make a trail for y'all. Oh, I'm sliding. Oh. 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 Oh, I'm stuck, Daddy, stuck. Come on. Oh. Oh, we got a runaway sled. All right, come on. You hold one of my hands, and then we got to hold. All right, come on, let's hold the hands in a line. Oh! All right, I'm going to hold it. No, whoever last in line got to hold it. Oh! Who's going to be the last in line? All right, go ahead. Use my trail. Got it. Be careful. Huh. Step in that trail. There you go. There you go. In the trail. In the trail. There you go. Got it? In the trail. I'm good. I'm going to step in the trail. Go ahead. Got it? There you go. Huh? Oh, that's a big piece. It's a big piece of ice, too. Daddy about to slide down with no sled. You wanna go again? Oh. Oh, we're gonna start from right here. Yeah. Come on, you gotta use the trail I made. Use the trail. I'll massage you from right here, love. You ready? Ready? Set. And 360. Be careful, be careful. Come on. I gotta put them hoods on. Hold on, let me zip in your coat up some more. See if I can zip it up some more. Wanna go down backwards? Wanna go down backwards? Alright, come on. I'll massage you right here. I'll massage you right here. Go to the top. You're gonna hit that dip right there. You're gonna hit the dip right there. All right, come on. Make sure you move it over to right here. All right, come on. Push them, Fat Daddy. 1, 2, 3, push. I told you was gonna hit the dip. I told you was gonna hit the dip. I knew that was gonna happen. All right, come on. Fat Daddy, you ready? You wanna go from up there or down here? Right here? All right, come on, let's go right here. Come on. Sit on down in there. There you go. You ready? You wanna get on with them? You wanna push? All right, come on, let's push them on 3. You ready? Hold on. 1, 2, 3, push. Oh, okay. Uh-oh. Still going. You're going to run into the fence. Oh, wipe out. Want me to create a trail for you? Boop. Oh, fell on that butt. I'm gonna create some more trails. There you go. Oh, you get it? You got it? Oh, they too spread it out. Daddy about to push Sparkle Smash all the way out there. See how far Sparkle Smash can go. Let's see how far she can go. Here we go. Sparkle Smash. Ready, set, go. Put the trucks on the sled? Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. See how Toro Loco hop out of the sled? Be careful coming down. Be careful. Sparkle Smash, coming your way. Yeah. Okay. Oh, gotta be careful. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. You got it? Want me to help you? Whoa. You gotta be careful going up that hill right there. Told you. Got it? There you go. Be careful. It's a hill. There you go. Use the trail. There you go. It's slippery. What you mean? Y'all both slipping and falling. Little, put the trucks back in there. You're gonna put them in the trail. I mean, in the sled. No, let's just do the one with the trucks in it. Put the trucks in there, and then we're gonna push them and see how far they can go with the trucks in it. I'll put this one in there too.
3, 2, 1.
Oh no! Hold up. We gotta start from over here. Cause it hit the cap. Start from right here. Start from right there.
3, 2, 1.
All the way to the fence. We made it all the way to the fence. Be careful, be careful. Huh? Truck versus people? Okay. The trucks went all the way to the fence. Yeah. Trucks win? Yep. Finish line the fence. You ready? 2, 3. Here comes Sparkle Smash. Oh! Here comes El Toro Loco. Oh! Jumped over it. Little jumped over it. Do 2 of them? Sparkle Smash and Earth Shaker together? Okay. Ready? Earth Shaker.
Good boy, get set, go!
Up. Sparkle Smash 1.
Yeah.
Sparkle Smash. That was a good one, Little.
Daddy,
Yeah,
I did it by myself.
you did do it by yourself. I saw you did a good job, too. You went far. Uh-oh. Come on, Fat Daddy.
Oh, my head.
Baby said hold his hand. Oh. Now take your time. Take your time. Oh. Y'all gonna go together? Let me push both of y'all together from right here. Come on, both of y'all get on the sled. All right, we're gonna do both of y'all and the trucks together. Both of y'all ride and the trucks. Little go help them with the trucks, real quick. Come on, sit down right. You and baby both get on, and then we're gonna put the trucks in between y'all lap. So y'all both ride down with the truck. You get El Toro logo, and you got Earth Shaker. Oh yeah, here we go. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
All righty, Daddy about to push y'all.
Ready,
Set, go! Little, how you fall off, little? Yeah.
Daddy, we just trucked him out and we just fall down and hurt the side of my back.
I want me to push you without the sled. You know you can slide without the sled.
Yeah.
Ready, set. You want to go where?
No gator.
Snow skating?
Yeah.
We don't have any ice skates.
Huh?
We don't have any ice skates.
So we got to do it regular shoes.
Y'all want to go one more time? Okay. Come on, bring both of the sparkle smashes. We're gonna bring all of them. Y'all gonna ride with all four, okay?
About to get this one.
Come on. Oh, wipe out. Well, you shouldn't have been up there. I told you you're gonna keep hitting that little dip right there. You gotta start from right here.
Yes, Daddy.
Uh-oh.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm about to get one burger mess and two.
Come on. One more with all of y'all. Get the earth shaker.
Yeah, we don't want the truck.
One more time and then you could go. Come on, one more truck ride and then you could go.
Yeah, I'm about to get the
Both of y'all.
Yeah, I'm about to get that Sharpie Toyota and that burger mess and we about to get that earth burger and burger mess.
Okay.
Why we can get Sharpie Toyota? We don't like that kind of.
Which one you want? Huh? Sparkle smash. All right, well, come on. It don't matter. As long as all of them go. Come on, sit right. Come on.
We get this truck.
There you go. Come on. You want to sit like that?
Sit correctly.
He don't want to sit regular. He want to be different. You want to sit like that? All right, ready? Set, go. That was a good one. I seen it. You rolled out. Both of y'all rolled out of it.
Daddy, and that truck is still on it.
Yeah, the truck stayed on and y'all fell off.
Daddy, look. No, get off. Daddy, stop. You want follow that truck, but get it right, and 2 more rounds.
2 more rounds and we're gonna go get some hot cocoa.
Yeah.
All right, with some whipped cream. Okay. Yeah, come on. Ready?
Go!
Set. You just want to roll out of it.
Daddy, the truck's go now.
Yep. Truck turn. Come on.
Daddy, you about to push the...
Come on over here, Fat Daddy. He gonna bring the sled over here.
Huh?
He gonna bring the sled over here. All right, it's truck turn.
On that truck turn. Bar turn. I said we want to go on the front.
What?
We want to go on the front.
We was at the front yesterday. We out here now.
We want to go on the front.
All right, we're doing truck turn this time. Come on.
I'm getting angry.
Baby said stop getting angry.
You're not making me fall down. Daddy. Daddy.
Watch out, little. The truck's turn. You just went.
The truck's turn.
You just went. It's the truck turn. Come on.
Ready, steady, go.
Oh!
Y'all keep talking about
Little, you being a hater right now, bruh. You being a little hater.
You better, yo, pee-pee hater.
Yeah.
Y'all go to y'all.
Oh, he's still going though.
I know.
All right, let me
Daddy,
push you then. Come on.
Say, Daddy, you need to get in there with your brother so y'all can run the
All right, come on. I'm gonna push you this time. Get in the footprints. Are you gonna make it? Oh, you made it without falling. Okay. All right, both of y'all this time. I'm gonna push y'all. Okay. Go real far. Uh-oh. There you go. She irritating. Ain't nobody tell you go by yourself.
Thanks God for the stopper.
Come on, both of y'all together. No, I said it's gritty on the top, and you hit the gritty. Come on.
I don't want to go.
You don't want to go?
I'm going to go by myself.
All right, well, Fat Daddy going by yourself. You ready, Fat Daddy?
Yeah?
Why?
And
You ready? You gonna go 5, 2, 3, and go! Oh yeah! Went real far.
He almost to the street.
Oh yeah, you real far, shorty. You said hot neighbor house? All right, come on, it's baby turn.
I'm going to go by myself.
Okay, I got you. When you get back with the sled, you can go by yourself.
No,
You went far, Fat Daddy. Are you ready, little?
Yeah, I want you to.
All right, sit it down. You ready? 1, 2, and 3. Oh!
Dang, Daddy. You okay?
We got a wipe out.
Beto.
Man down.
Baby, go get him. He
Come
not
on.
moving.
You okay? Oh, I'm sliding.
Y'all power gotta go down.
Whoa, dang.
Daddy,
Crash and burn.
Daddy.
We gotta do it again.
Do it again.
I know we had a crash and burn.
Daddy, yeah, do it again.
I said, I ain't push you far enough to the side. All right, come on, we're gonna do it again. We're gonna do it again. All right, we'll try again. Here we go. I gotta push you over. You ready? 1, 2, 3. He keep turning. Oh, 360s.
360.
You hitting them 360s.
Bye, Daddy.
All right, come on. Come on, shorty, man. Oh, baby said he's gonna leave you. Oh, y'all gotta go together this time.
Daddy, you was trying to hear like a dying boy.
Like a dying boy.
We're going together.
Going together? All right, that's gonna be tough. Hold on. Okay, Daddy gonna push you.
I didn't tell last time. Y'all need to come warm up.
Up to Tell mommy get some hot cocoa ready. All right, here we go. 1, 2, and 3. I hit stop by accident.
Stop.
All right, come on. Come on, while I go get some hot cocoa. Oh.
You don't want to help.
Come on, little. Come on. All right, let's go get some hot cocoa. Some hot chocolate. Come on, let's get some hot chocolate. Uh-oh. You gotta follow the foot tracks. Yep. There you go. Yep.
I eat the hot cocoa. Your daddy.
Stir it real good. Blow it. Hey. Hold on, I gotta get y'all's
Where'd the ice go?
it melted. That's how hot it was.
Daddy.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, got that whipped cream on it. Blow it. It might still be hot a little bit. Oh, I knew you was gonna make a mess. Oh yeah, you look good.
We need purple towels.
Nice little hot cocoa out of playing in the snow.
Daddy,